G'day folks. Well, today we're going to be playing with a old rotary compressor motor and its rotor. This is out of a compressor that Brad gave me, V8 Jagnut, check his channel. This is the one that he tortured for several hours. We eventually ran it over with the Range Rover and destroyed the rest of the unit, but the compressor's still okay. I think the compressor was just stalling on high pressure, so I've been playing around a bit. I'm just going to leave the rotor here. It's hooked up to the test panel with a run capacitor across it. So let's see what happens. Hey, you said you need bearings in a motor. I had a feeling it'd do that. I think I should bolt it down a bit better. There's a certain point where it likes it, but after that it gets a bit angry. Well, that worked well. Oh, that goes to show you don't need bearings in a motor. Next step, let's burn it out. I think I'll lose the rotor and it'll just set fire to the thing.